In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find duplicate entries in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick and simple method that works well when you already have a specific word, value, or entry in mind, and you want to check whether it appears more than once in your worksheet. It is especially useful for small lists or for a fast spot check when you do not need to scan the entire sheet manually. Start by opening your Excel file and going to the worksheet where your data is stored. Make sure you are looking at the correct sheet before you begin, especially if your workbook contains several tabs with similar information. Next, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Find tool in Microsoft Excel. The Find feature helps you search for a specific word, number, or piece of text anywhere in the sheet, which saves time compared to scrolling through rows and columns by hand. Once the Find box appears, click into the search field and type the word or value that you think might be duplicated. Be as accurate as possible when entering the text. If there is a spelling difference, an extra space, or a slightly different format, Excel may treat it as a different entry. Excel will look through the worksheet and show you matches if that exact entry exists. If the same word appears in more than one cell, that tells you the entry is duplicated. You can move through the results to confirm where each match appears and compare them directly in the sheet. This method is helpful because it gives you a fast way to verify duplicates without changing your data or applying any special formatting. It is also easy for beginners, since the keyboard shortcut is simple to remember and the search box is straightforward to use. One useful tip is to search for the exact text as it appears in the cell. If your data includes numbers stored as text, abbreviations, or inconsistent capitalization, make sure the value you type matches what is in the worksheet as closely as possible. That will help you get more reliable results. So if you want to quickly check whether a specific entry appears more than once in Excel, just use Ctrl and F, type the word you suspect is duplicated, and review the results Excel gives you. That covers everything you need to know.